a tree known as a kerosene tree. What a fantastic tree it is! Introducing Sopa Sindora Sopa of the family Fabaceae. Sopa is one of the premium species in the Philippines, and it is considered endangered and vulnerable worldwide by the International Union for the Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. Sopa is a large, moderately fast-growing deciduous tree from the Legume family. It is a Cayogalo Sindora inermis relative and can be distinguished by its spiny fruits. It is also known as a kerosene tree due to the aromatic oil that its wood contains. The sopa wood is used for high-grade furniture, veneer, high-class decorative paneling, musical instruments, and flooring. Traditional bowling alleys and wooden bowling pins were made from sopa wood. Oils extracted from its wood are used as a lamp oil, varnishes, and paints, and are effective against certain skin diseases. Sopa is a perfect ornamental tree owing to its close canopy and attractive pinkish flowers. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.